What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to be replacing these stock headlights. These are yellow, so I'm going to turn them on so you guys can see what it look like. So this is what they look like when they're on. They're just a yellow light. And since we did the reverse LEDs and the license plate, now it's time to replace these and make it look a little better. Lo que vamos a hacer ahora es cambiarle los focos. Le vamos a poner LEDs, los focos LEDs, pero para cambiárselos tenemos que cambiarle todo el foco, todo el housing que le dicen. Entonces le vamos a poner el foco LED, el nuevo housing, porque estos están sellados, no se le puede poner otro foco. So in order to put the LED bulbs, we have to replace the whole housing, because this is a sealed light. So this is the actual bulb, like the whole housing. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the grill, pushing these clips in. You're gonna take a flathead screwdriver. Vamos a quitar la parrilla primero, y con este desarmador plano le vamos a puchar estos clips y se jala para atrás. So we're just gonna push it down and pull the grill lightly. It took us a while because we had to press down these clips to release the grill, and there's some down here, so you have to kind of like press and pull on the grill a little bit, and then press and pull on the bottom, and we went all the way across. Entonces nos delatamos un poco porque tenemos que pucharle este pin de acá para que suelte la parrilla, y ahí también acá abajo. Abajo hay 5 y arriba hay 6, 3 de un lado y 3 del otro. Pero es nomás un plastiquito que se tiene que, este plastiquito lo pucha para abajo y suelta la parrilla. Voy a sacar estos focos, son 4 tornillos. To remove these headlights, there's 4 screws, and then you unplug it from in here. Aquí está esta plug de acá, y cuando le quite el tornillo sale esta cosa que lo sostiene. When you remove these 4 screws, this little ring comes off and it releases the headlight. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so these are the headlights we got on eBay for like 30 bucks. These aren't sealed, so you can replace the bulb. The bulb goes in here. It just has like a little cover right now. Estos son los focos que agarramos de eBay. Nos salieron $30. Y estos no son sellados, entonces se le puede cambiar el foco. Y estos son los focos que le vamos a poner. These are the bulbs that we're going to be installing from Auxito. Part number. Y estos son blancos. These are white bulbs. They're like the newest model. They even come with some gloves. There we go. Así nomás se meten, le pone el este. So that's all you have to do. You just insert the bulb, put the clip back. Ahí está el foco ya instalado. La diferencia. This is the difference between both lights. So we're gonna go ahead and do this one, and then we'll put everything back together and show you what it looks like. Lo vamos a instalar a este lado, lo vamos a poner a parrilla y todo para atrás, y luego le vamos a enseñar cómo se ve ya con las dos luces puestas. That's with both lights on. Ahí están los dos focos ya instalados. Super bright. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at YONKE_OXCFilms. I'll leave that in the description down below. Síganos en Instagram, ahí voy a dejar el nombre en la sección de abajo. Y nos vemos para la próxima. Catch you in the next one.